Yes, now we are going to perform putting the profile board. A profile board, just have two pegs and another board. So for each corner, we put peg, and we put a profile board. We put a board on those pegs. So it means on the corner, we have two profile board. As indicated on this figure, as you see here, so this is a profile board, this is another profile board, this is a profile board, this another profile board. So a profile board, a profile board. So this a yellow color that you see, it will indicate also this centering of this wall, as you see on this here on the ground. This a yellow color that you see, it indicates the center line of the wall. If here it is a center line, it means here we have a trench. So we have to move a little bit so that if we are going to dig a trench, so our profile will be safe. Yes, here we come up to fix our profile board, as you see. So you check your drawings. So this peg, it is located in the middle of this wall. So this yellow color that you see, it is this building line. So now we are going to extend this center to the profile board. So we need to pull this building line up to the profile in both sides, on this y-axis and this x-axis. Here we mark, this is the center, and now on our profile board, here we need to indicate the thickness of the wall and the thickness of the foundation. We consider this is the center line of the wall. So if our foundation will have 40 centimeters, so it means on this party we have 20, on the other party also we have 20, which the total give us 40 centimeters. But also you have to mark the thickness of the wall, which will have 20. It means from the center line, on the one part you have 10 centimeters, then the other part you have 10 centimeters, which will give us the thickness of the wall, which will have 20 centimeters. And then we have to put the nails to mark the thickness of the foundation. As you see here, we have 40 centimeter of the thickness of the foundation. This is the center line. That will have the thickness of the wall that will be erected on the foundation. Now we finish to put profile board. Now we are going to put building line in order to demarcate the thickness of wall, the thickness of the foundation, so that we can see the thickness of the trench. Now we come up to fix the whole building line. Now you can see some image on the ground, the same that you have on the drawing. Those building line indicate the width or the thickness of the foundation that we will have. So it means the wall will be erected above of this foundation. Here on our profile board, we have the thickness of the foundation. This thickness also will be the thickness of the trench where we dig. But on the profile board, we have those measurement of the wall, the thickness of the wall, even the center of that wall. This profile board, as I have said before, it must be extended to this center line so that if we dig this trench, they will not affect those profile board, because those profile board will remain there up the foundation will be finished. I want you to check the plan that you have here on this ground and check with our architecture drawing that we have. We come up to fix this building line. Let's now put sawdust so that the manpower will indicate where they will dig on the ground. Because if they come dig with this building line, those building line will be cutted. So I want to demarcate with sawdust on the ground so that they see their width of their trench. So we are going to use this sawdust in order to demarcate the trench of our building. Yes, now we come up to the market where our foundation will be passed. Now, if we consider this architectural drawing, let's start by showing the entrance. This is the location of our house. So we have moved from our plot boundary. We moved 7 meters, as you see on the side. So it means from the plot boundary up this baseline where we start our building, it is 7 meters. If we check on the side, so from this side of this plot, the setback is, you check on your site plan, is 3 meters 30 centimeters. It means it is from here up to here, where we start our building, as it is indicated on this site plan. Also, you have to check on the right side here. Also, you have to maintain this 3 meters 30 centimeters. It means from this plot boundary up where we start our building. So it means have 3 meters 30 centimeters. From the site plan, it is where we have established our baseline of our building. We respect those 7 meters, and then those 3 meters 30 centimeters. We have located this, the first corner of our building. So we established this baseline of our building, which is with this AB. It means this corner is this corner A. We have established this first peg, and this line to this corner B. This is the baseline. So from this baseline, we have established this AG. This is from this corner up to that corner. We established this AG. So by looking on the measurement, we put here a right angle using a steel square. So we have maintained this baseline, and then we stretch so that we put a right angle so that we establish this AG. So from this corner G, so we want to establish this another corner E. So we maintain this AG, and then we put a steel square so that we have here a right angle, and then we consult the drawing, and then we see the dimension from the center line here up to E. It means we come here on the dimension where we establish this back view of our building. So it means it is from here up to here. From this E, so we want to establish this D. So here we put also a steel square, and then we have here a right angle, and then with the measurement we have the corner D. It means the corner D it is located here, and then finally, in order to get the point C, so we have maintained this ED, and then here we have to have a right angle. Here we put a right steel square so that we have this point C. After doing that, we have to find the intermediate point here so that you see it's as if you have two rectangles. So with the measurement, we check your drawing so that we establish the point F. That means, consider your drawing, the point F is located in the middle here. So the city is 4 meters. So we have established this point F. And then finally, you have to check the diagonal. As you see, we have 2 rectangles. It means from this point F up to B, and also from A to G. So this rectangle, we check the diagonal AAF and BG. So those diagonal must be equal. Also, you go to another rectangle, this one. So from DF must be to EC. Also, you have to check those diagonal. So thank you very much. Let's say, as I have said before, setting out of a building, it is a process of transferring architectural plan from the drawing to the ground. So you see, we can match this drawing that we have here and what we have here on the ground. Thank you very much.